Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you're looking for a nice quality storage crate, then you have to check out this one from Grip. This crate is awesome because it is foldable, and when you're not using it, you can store it in a nice, discreet way. But I'm going to tell you, you will not need to store this crate at all because you're going to want to use it. This crate is extremely durable. Immediately, I noticed just how well it was made and the premium quality of it. Because it is collapsible, I was worried that it would be a little bit flimsy, but that is not the case whatsoever. This thing is so sturdy. We find that we use it most in our garage, but it can easily be used inside, outside, on the go, in the car, literally anywhere. It has a really nice size of 13 by 13 by 11, so I can fit quite a bit in here. Personally, our family likes the size of it because it fits into our little cubby holes in our garage perfectly. It has nice, convenient, wide handles, so I can really get a good grip too when I'm carrying it around. This is really nicely made and it truly is a solid crate. So if you're looking for a storage crate that is high quality, extremely durable, collapsible, and just really convenient, I would definitely check out this one. But that's just my point of view.